Yeah, so the question 4 on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder are given x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find the value of gx on dividing this by a polynomial. So this is the dividend.
And we have to get the divisor.
We have to get the divisor. You are dividing something by gx, so this is your divisor. The quotient is x minus 2 and the remainder is minus 2x plus 4. And the question is find out gx. In fact, we have to find the divisor. So we know the division algorithm, that is a equal to b cube plus r.
So not that other one. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
Yes. So if I know this formula, in this formula there are 4 terms: dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Out of these 4, if any 3 are known to me, then I can find out the 4th. So dividend हमारे पास है, quotient हमारे पास है, remainder हमारे पास है. So we have these 3 terms with us. And so if we have the 3 terms, then we can easily find out the others, right?
Yes, sir. That is correct.
Dividend is divisor into quotient. And if I look at the question here, the dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. So I'm going to substitute that x cube minus
3x square plus x
plus 2. This is my dividend. And GX. Divisor is represented by gx. And look at
x minus 2.
The quotient is given to us. The quotient is given to us as x minus 2. And a remainder
minus 2x plus 4.
Remainder is also given to me as minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so these are the quantities which are given to me. Dividend is given to me, quotient is given to me, remainder is given to me. So the first thing that has to be done is to transfer these 2 terms this side. So x cube minus 3x squared plus x plus 2. This will remain as it is. And I'm going to transfer these 2. So this minus 2x, I will bring this side, so that will become plus 2x.
Plus
4, I am bringing, minus 4. It will become minus 4 equal to gx into x minus 2, right? So what am I doing? I am shifting these 2 terms on the left. So see the sign change. Minus plus ban gaya hai and plus has become minus. Now x cube minus 3x square as it is, x and 2x plus are like terms. That is going to become plus 3x.
Minus 2.
2 and minus 4 here will become minus 2 equal to gx into x minus 2. Therefore, the value of gx will be this whole polynomial as it is divided by x minus 2. Okay, this whole thing divided by this. Now we have done the long division. So I'm going to divide the numerator by the denominator.
So it will go x square first.
X will go x square times x into x square will be x cube. Minus 2 into x square, we get minus 2x square.
Minus 2x square. Change of signs.
We will change the signs. X cube is getting cancelled. Minus 3x square and plus 2x square, we get minus x square.
1x square.
Yeah. So you can write either
minus x.
Or just let it
or minus x. Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Bring down the 2 numbers from top. Plus 3x minus 2 as it is. Now x
will go minus x times.
X into minus x is minus x square. Minus 2 into minus x will give you plus 2x. Change the sign. This will become plus and this will become minus. X square is getting
1x minus 2.
3 minus 2, you get 1x or x minus 2. Now this is x and this is x. So x will go once.
So plus 1 times.
Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Now we'll subtract, the signs will change, everything will cancel and remainder aa gaya 0. So that means we have divided this entire thing by x minus 2. It's perfectly divisible and the quotient is x square minus x plus 1. Therefore, we can say that the divisor that was unknown is x square minus x plus 1. Okay, so in the exam, remember this formula, dividend is divided. Any 3 can be given. Abhi to divisor unknown hai. In the exam, they may give some other unknown term. So then also the procedure will remain same. Normally, they'll give you this only. But remember that out of the 4, if any 3 are given, you will be able to solve this by using this method. So you can note down this. This is also an important question, along with question 3, the previous question that we did.
Sir, at the end of the class, could you tell the question 3 again once?
Question 3.
Yes, sir. It's not that clear. So if you can tell now, it's nice. Otherwise, I'll come tomorrow and ask.
Okay, it's better because that recording I have sent. No, you listen once more. Previous class recording, so I have sent. No, in case it is not clear, then I will explain again.
Fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay, we go further. So this will be question 5 now. Here, give examples of the polynomial which satisfy the division algorithm. Now here, there are random examples. There are no fixed answers in this. Okay, so your answer may be different from some other person's answer. Here, the question is, degree of the polynomial and degree of the quotient should be same. Now, if you look at the previous questions, you see that the degree here is 3. यहाँ पे जो degree है 3 है और यहाँ पे degree 2 है. Always this degree is less than this. But now they are asking us to find out a polynomial whose degree of the polynomial and quotient is same. That is only possible when we are dividing a polynomial by a constant number. Okay. So if I want degree of the polynomial and degree of the quotient same, take any polynomial, let's say 3x square plus 15, and just divide this by x square. Divide by a constant, divide by 3.
Yes, 3.
Because the moment you take x, ये x square जो है वो कम हो जाएगा. So don't take any variable, take a constant. When I divide this by a constant, 3 goes x square times 3 into x square आ गया 3x square. I'm going to subtract this, 15 आ गया. 3 5s are 15. I'm going to get the remainder 0. So here, this is an example where the degree of the polynomial and degree of the quotient is same. देखो यहाँ पे degree क्या है? 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2. And what is the degree of the quotient? Degree of the quotient. ये भी 2 है, ये भी 2 है. So I can say that this is an example for this. Okay, like this you can give any example. कोई भी polynomial से आप constant से divide कर देंगे, तो this and this will remain same. Second one, degree of the quotient and remainder should be same. So I am taking another example, 3x squared plus 15. Polynomial same रख दिया. Instead of dividing by the constant, now I will divide by the variable. That is the difference between this, because here the quotient and remainder should be same. See here the quotient is 2 and here the remainder is 0. So here I need quotient and remainder same. So what will I do? X square goes 3 times. I'll get 3x square. I'll subtract this. I'm getting remainder 15. So what is the degree of the quotient? This can be written as 3x to the power 0, right? Power
yes, sir.
आपको power देखना है variable का. तो x तो है ही नहीं. इसका मतलब x का power 0 है. तो degree इसका 0 हो गया. Same way 15 का मतलब क्या होता है? 15x to the power 0. Here also degree is 0. So here I can say degree of the quotient and degree of the remainder is same. Okay, so see the difference between 1 and 2. Here we are dividing the polynomial by the constant. And if you want the degree of the quotient and remainder same, you are taking any polynomial, कोई भी polynomial, and just divide it by the variable. When you divide by the variable, you are going to get degree of the quotient and remainder same. And the last one, degree of the remainder is 0. This is the same as the second. Take any example, 2x square plus 16. Okay. And again, just like we did the second, divide by the variable. X square will go 2 times. 2x square aa gaya, subtract here, remainder 16 aa gaya. What is the degree of this? The degree of this is 0. So, if I want to give examples for 1, 2, and 3, just remember, if the polynomial and quotient has to be same, then take any polynomial and divide it by the constant. Like this. And for second and third, divide the polynomial by the variable. So you will get this. And as I told you, there is no fixed answer. There can be multiple answers for this. Okay, so now we go to the advanced question, that is of cubic polynomials. ये है cubic polynomials. This is exercise 2.4. So all those who are doing standard maths, I think most of you may be opting for standard maths, you have to do this 2.4. Here in cubic polynomials, there are three zeros, 1, 2, 3. This is your alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha दिया हुआ है 1/2, beta दिया हुआ है 1, gamma दिया हुआ है -2.
-2.
These are your alpha, beta, gamma. And when there is a cubic polynomial, the general format is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d.
Plus d,
yes. In polynomial, when we did quadratic, we had only ax square plus bx
ax square plus bx plus c.
A, B, C निकाला था. इसमें A, B, C, D 4 हैं. So what is A here? A is 2.
2.
ठीक है.
B is 1.
X square के साथ जो होता है वो B होता है. So B is 1.
C is -5.
X, so C आ गया -5.
And D is 2.
And D is the
Positive.
constant. That is 2. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A is 2. B is 1, C -2, D 2. So we are identifying A, B, C, D from the polynomial. Now, if you read the question carefully, there are two parts. First is verify that the numbers along this are zeros. And second is to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients in each of the following. So in the first part, what we have to do is substitute
Evaluate these values.
the values of x as half, 1 and -1. Okay, you are going to substitute the value of x as, first you are going to substitute x as half. So क्या करेंगे? 2 into x
into
cube.
1/2.
Yeah.
So 1/2 will be put here when we
1/2 square minus 5/2 plus 2. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are actually putting the value here. I'm showing this 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. And we are given three values here, half, 1 and -2. Half, 1, -2. We have to first verify that these are zeros. So what am I going to do? I'm going to substitute these three values in this and show that it is coming 0. So first I'm putting x as half. So 2 into 1/2 cube plus 1/2 square minus 5 into 1/2 plus 2. What am I doing? I'm putting the value of x as half. This is 2 into 1/8, 1/4 minus 5/2 plus 2. 2 and 8 will get cancelled.
Cancelled. 1/4.
Now I'll take the
4 will be
LCM.
the LCM.
LCM is 4.
So
4
1 plus 1
1 into 1 is 1.
minus 10.
Plus 1. 2 goes
After that
to
minus 10.
2 into 5 is 10. So minus 10. And 1 goes how many times in 4? 4 times.
8. 4
twos
times.
are
And it will become 8.
8 plus
So
1,
10
9,
minus
9 plus 1, 10, 10 minus 10, I guess 0. 0 by anything is 0. So first part, you have got 0. So
It's a 0 of the polynomial.
you have to get 0. अगर 0 नहीं आ रहा है, इसका मतलब you have done something wrong. Okay, so 0 आ गया when I am substituting x as half. Now I am putting x as 1. So I am going to get 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5 minus 5. Here also I am getting 0. Then I'm going to put x as -2. So 2 into -2 cube plus -2 square minus 5 into -2 plus 2. This is -8. -8 into 2 will give me -16. This is -2 square, that will +4. -5 into -2 is +10 plus 2. So -16 plus 16. आपका 0 आ गया. So all three cases we have got 0. So we have done the first part, that we have verified that alpha, beta, gamma are actually correct. Now comes the verification. Now for that we need A, B, C, D. So A क्या है 2, B क्या है 1, C क्या है -5 and D क्या है 2. I told you ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the format. So A is the coefficient of x cube, B is the coefficient of x square. कोई number लिखा नहीं है तो 0 नहीं लिखना, 1 लिखना है. So B1 लिखा है मैंने. C is the coefficient of x and D is the constant value 2. So ये आ गया A2 B1 C minus 2 D2. So I'm getting the values of A.
Yes. So sir, we can compare the sum of zeros, that is alpha, beta, gamma added is equal to minus B upon A.
Now there are three
LHS,
verification formulas. First verification formula है alpha plus beta plus gamma
is equal to minus B
by A. ठीक है, alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus B by A. जैसे quadratic में किया था, alpha plus beta is minus B by A. Same way, alpha plus beta plus gamma is also minus B by A. I'm going to solve the LHS. What is my alpha, beta, gamma? That's already given here. Half plus 1 minus 2. Take the LCM 2. So 1 plus 2 minus 4. This is going to be 3 minus 4 by 2. So answer is going to be minus 1 by 2. And if my answer is correct, then my RHS should also be minus 1 by 2. So minus B by A. B is 1. So I'm going to get minus 1 by A, that is 2. So I'm getting LHS equal to RHS. So what have I done? I have done the first verification. Now remember this, there are three verifications in cubic. जैसे हमने quadratic में दो verification किया था. One was alpha plus beta minus B by A and the other was alpha beta C by A. Same way, there will be three verifications. So this is our first verification. Okay. Now we go to the second verification. What is the second verification? The second verification is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to positive C by A. तो तीनों वेरिफिकेशन आपको करना है. ये वेरिफिकेशन हो गया, LHS RHS इक्वल आ गया. Now we are doing the second verification. Note down this. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. When you add, you are going to get C upon A. So what is alpha? 1 by 2. LHS I am solving. 1 by 2. What is beta? 1. Then 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1 by 2. So this is going to be 1 by 2. 1 into minus 2, you get minus 2. Minus 2 by...
Sir, you said minus 1 on the other side. You can reduce the fraction.
1 minus 4 minus 2. Yes, Arya. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I had a doubt, sir. That, sir, what if, sir, if the value of A is root 2, sir? So, sir, will then also this alpha, beta, plus beta, gamma?
Value of ABCD can be anything. It can be in roots, it can be in fraction, it can be in decimal, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
There is no restriction on the value of ABCD. There is no restriction on the value of alpha, beta, gamma. So it can be negative, it can be positive, it can be fractions.
Sir, can it be irrational?
Yes, it can be root. It can be in roots. Like for example, when we did one question, we said that the roots are root 5 by 2 and minus root 5 by 2. They are irrational numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
So roots can be irrational, but roots cannot be unreal. Roots can be rational, real numbers ho sakte hain. It can be rational or irrational number, right?
Okay, sir.
And RHS is what? C by A. C by A kya ho gaya? Minus 5 by 2. So here also we are getting LHS equal to RHS. So that was the second verification formula. Now we come to the third verification formula, that is alpha, beta, gamma is minus D by A. ये देखो, ये negative minus B by A, ये positive C by A. Now product of the roots alpha, beta, gamma is minus D upon A. So all three verification has to be done. So alpha, beta, gamma मतलब क्या हुआ? Half into 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2 by 2, ये आ गया minus 1. And RHS is minus D by A, that is minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So we get LHS equal to RHS. So we have first found out that all three are zeros. And next we have found out that verification of the first one, verification of the second, and verification of the third. In all the three cases, we got LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so there is another part like same way. So I am requesting you to try that on your own. It's the same procedure. You just need to substitute alpha, beta, gamma. 3 बार जैसे अभी किया है. You need to substitute that and get zeros, and 3 times you will verify. And it's an easier question as compared to this, so I think you will be able to do it. In case you have problem, then you can discuss in the class. So this is the question 211. ये alpha है, ये beta है, gamma है. पहले आपको 211 आपको substitute करना है, and then verify as we did the first one. Okay, so this I am asking you to try today. Immediately after this class, you can try the second part so that you know that you have understood the question correctly. In case there is a problem, this PDF I had sent earlier. Today I have sent a lot of study material for the chapters as and when you get time. Because see, I will not be able to tell you how much homework you are getting from school, when are you free. So please, I would only urge you to take out an hour at least every day for maths and try to keep doing the sums. And as I told you, don't wait for the classes. You can, if you are having any particular doubts, please send through WhatsApp. Now we go to question number 2. Find a cubic polynomial. जैसे find a quadratic polynomial था, वैसे ही find a cubic polynomial के लिए formula है. You can note down this formula to find a cubic polynomial. To find a cubic polynomial, the formula is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square. Okay, x cube minus some.
Sir, plus the
alpha
two
beta
taken of
plus
zeros
beta gamma plus gamma alpha outside the bracket
into x minus product.
minus alpha beta gamma.
Sir, we can't write some product.
Yeah, this can be written as sum, this can be written as product, and this is called sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. Product of zeros, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. So ये formula आपको लिखना है कहीं पे, x cube minus sum, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma outside the bracket x square plus sum of the products taken 2 at a time. So alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, x minus alpha, beta, gamma. Now you read the question, find a cubic polynomial with sum. Sum diya hua hai 2. This is the sum 2. So we will replace x cube minus iski jagah 2 likh denge. The sum is already given 2. Sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time, वो -7 दे रखा है, 2 at a time, ये दो करके है, 2 at a time बोलते हैं इसको. So -7x minus product of the zeros दिया हुआ है already, -14. Everything is given to you, ready made. Sum of the zeros is given, product taken 2 at a time is given, and product is also given. So x cube, this is x cube, okay? X cube minus 2x square minus 7x, minus and minus will become plus 14. So your answer will be x cube minus 2x square, plus and minus will become minus 7x, and minus will become plus 14. So this is our cubic polynomial. So it's a direct question. If you know this formula, you can do this very easily. Right? Then we go to question number 3. If the zeros of the polynomial are a minus b, a and a plus b, find the value of a, b. Zeros are given a minus b, A and A plus B. Zeros of the polynomial are given A minus B, A and A plus B. Yani alpha diya hua hai A minus B. What is your zeros? Zeros are alpha, beta, gamma. So pehla jo zero hai wo alpha, A minus B. Beta is given A. And gamma, the third zero, is given A plus B. These are the three zeros given. A minus B, A plus B. Okay. All you need to do is the find out the value of AB. इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Use the formulas which we did just now. What was that formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus B by A. The first formula that we did was alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus B by A. Now look at the question carefully. The coefficient of x cube is A. A क्या है? 1. Coefficient of x square is B. So B क्या है? minus 3. Coefficient of x is C. So C is 1. And constant क्या है? D is 1. Okay. Again I'm repeating. A 1 है. B minus 3 है. C 1 है. D 1 है. A, B, C, D यहाँ हमने निकालना है. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma, you know your three zeros are given, A minus B, A plus B. So A minus B, this is your alpha, plus beta value A, plus gamma value A plus B is minus B by A. So when I am saying minus B by A, that's going to become minus of minus 3 by 1, right? Minus B by A, yahan se karna hai. Now here what will you observe? There is a plus B and there is a minus B that will get cancelled. A will become 3A, minus and minus will become plus. So 3A equal to 3, A will become 3 upon 3. So we are getting the value of A as 1. We've already got the value of A as 1 by using the first formula, alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus B by A. Second formula we will avoid क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा लंबा है. Alpha beta plus gamma alpha is C by A. We try to avoid because it's a longer one. So we need not do that क्योंकि verification नहीं है ये. Verification हमें 3 बार करना पड़ता है. But यहाँ पे तो question है find A B. So we will avoid that and we'll go to the third formula. What was that? Alpha beta gamma is
minus D upon A.
Minus D by A. We will go to the third formula, not the second. Alpha second से भी कर सकते हैं लेकिन लंबा इसलिए avoid कर रहे हैं. Alpha beta gamma is minus D by A. So A minus B into A plus B is equal to minus D by A. So that will become minus 1 upon what?
1. That is minus 1 itself.
That is minus 1 itself. And the value of A we have already got. So we are going to substitute that. 1 minus B multiplied by 1 into 1 plus B is minus 1. Now this is an identity, 1 minus B into 1 plus B. ये identity है तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? A square minus B square. So I'm going to get 1 minus B square is minus 1. Right? 1 minus B को 1 plus B से करेंगे तो identity लग गया. A square minus
A
B
plus B and A minus B1. The A square, that is equal to A square minus B square. That one.
Now this positive one I am transferring the other side. So it will become minus 1 already था. अब ये plus 1 उधर चला जाएगा तो minus 1 हो गया. Minus B square is minus 2. Negative gets cancelled. So B is going to be root of this. And when you take root of a number, I told you to take the plus minus case. The root of a number, I told you that if there is root 36, it will become plus minus 6 because 6 into 6 is 36. Minus 6 into minus 6 is also 36. तो जब भी रूट लेते हैं किसी नंबर का b स्क्वायर आ गया 2 तो b सिर्फ पॉजिटिव रूट 2 नहीं लिखना क्योंकि आधा मार्क कट जाएगा. b कैन बी प्लस रूट 2 और माइनस रूट 2. सो फाइनल आंसर क्या आएगा? a is 1 and b can be plus root 2 or minus root 2. So this is the procedure for doing question number 3.
Sir, one question.
Yes.
Sir, at the time when you wrote 1 minus B into 1 plus B, when it became 1 minus B and 1 plus B, so which identity did you take?
See, when you are multiplying 1 with 1 minus B, the 1 तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना. When you multiply 1
sir, that तो मैंने भी cancel कर दिया, so it becomes 1 minus B and 1 plus B.
So now
which identity you are taking? I'm asking that.
A plus B, A minus B. is a square
Acha, a
minus
square
b
minus
square.
minus b square. Fine, sir. All
A
right.
minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. I'm using that. 1 की जगह 1 square लिखा नहीं मैंने क्योंकि 1 का square 1 ही होता है.
One
So,
नहीं आता. हाँ, yes. All right, sir. Thank you.
okay, so this is a similar question. You had asked कि वो दो zeros दिए हैं, बाकी दो zeros निकालने हैं. You had asked me to explain again. So this is a very similar question. 2 zeros are given. We have to find the other 2 zeros. Okay, so I will explain this. This is the same type of question we did last time in the exercise. If 2 zeros of the polynomial are given, कहाँ पर है 2 zeros? देखो यहाँ पे tricky है. You will find that it is plus minus. इसका मतलब 1 is plus case.
2 plus root 3 and 2
and 1
minus
is the
root 3.
minus case, 2 minus root 3. So the 2
Yes,
zeros
sir.
are
That
hidden
much is
here.
understood.
So these are the 2 zeros given to you, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So now the question is find the other zeros. तो other zeros के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको सबसे पहले मैंने बताया था use the formula x square minus sum x plus product. Last class also we did a question very similar to this. 2 zeros were given, root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 वो वाला. इधर alpha beta दिया हुआ है. We need to add these two. When I add this, I will get 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3x. And product means we need to multiply 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Okay, sum means क्या होता है? Add करेंगे alpha और beta को. Product मतलब क्या होता है? Alpha और beta को multiply करेंगे. Plus root 3 and minus root 3 gets cancelled. 2 plus 2 is 4. So you're going to get x square minus 2 plus 2, 4 हो गया 4x. And if you look at this product, this is an identity a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So ये आ जाएगा 2 square minus root 3 square. So this is going to become x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3. And what is 4 minus 3? It will become 1. So whenever you get a question like this, the first thing that you do is make a quadratic polynomial. And how do you make a quadratic polynomial? By using the formula x square minus sum x plus product. जो हमने second exercise में भी किया है. x square minus sum x plus product जब हम करेंगे तब जाके आपका quadratic polynomial आएगा. Now once you get the quadratic polynomial, to find the other factors क्या करना है? जो question था उसको divide करना पड़ेगा इससे. You're going to divide x4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 by x square minus 4x plus 1. And the remainder has to come 0 because it's a factor. ये factor है क्योंकि alpha beta zeros. So this is the long division process. So I'm going to explain that. So this will be, okay, we've got the, how you got the divisor that I have explained. Now I'm showing you the division process. X to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. This was our original question, and now we are going to divide by what? By the
X square minus 4x plus 1.
quadratic polynomial. We got x square minus 4x plus 1. So x square will go x square times x square into x4 आ गया. Minus 4x into x square we get minus 4x cube. 1 into x square we get 1x square, or you can simply write x square. Remember to change all the signs. So signs change हो गए. x4 cancel हो गया. Minus 6 and plus 4 we are getting minus 2x cube. Minus 26 minus 1 we get minus 27x square. Bring down the numbers from top, 138x minus 35. Now this is x square and this is minus 2x cube. X square has to be multiplied.
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x. X square into minus 2x, we will get minus 2x cube.
Minus
Minus
8x square.
4x into minus
Sorry,
2x.
plus 8x square. Plus 8x square.
Yeah, there are two negatives, so you will get plus 8x square. 1 into minus 2x, you get minus 2x. change the sign, and this will get cancelled. Minus 27 minus 8, you will get minus 35x square. 138 and 2, you get 140x minus 35. Now x square will go how many times
Minus
in minus
35.
35x square? It will go minus 35 times. So x square into minus 35 minus 35x square. 4 into 35, 140. But there are two negatives.
140 itself.
Plus 140x. 1 into minus 35 is minus 35. Change the signs. Remainder is 0. It has to come 0. In these type of question, if it is not coming 0, कि 2 0 दिया बाकी निकालो जब ऐसे questions आते हैं, and you're not getting 0, then please recheck, because that means your calculation is wrong. Now, once you get this, your quotient is coming x square minus 2x minus 35. You have to do the splitting of this. Multiply करने पे minus 35 आना चाहिए, और add करने पे minus 2x आना चाहिए. So what are the factors? Multiply करने पे negative 35, and when you add, you have to get minus 2. So what could be?
No, wait, sir.
Multiply करने पे 35, add करने पे 2 factors are minus 7x and 5x. 7 5s are 35. And when you add, you have to get negative 2. So minus 7 and plus 5 will be your factors. So this will become x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. Remember, when you're doing splitting, the first and last will remain as it is. This number we have split. X common x minus 7, 5 common x minus 7. Combine this, we get x minus 7 and x plus 5.
So 7 and minus 5 are the?
We get 7. Equate this to 0, we get minus 5. So therefore, 2 zeros were already given to us. What were the 2 roots? 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Now we have got 2 more, 7 and minus 5. So we've got all alpha, beta, gamma and delta. There is also a solved example, that also please go through this. So there are 3 questions of this type in the whole book, and it's important that you do all the 3.